welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Rich Tehrani here. Thanks for watching. We're at IT Expo West 2012 in Austin, Texas. On our program is Christoph Busche. He is the marketing manager at Voxbone. And Christoph, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rich. Hello. Pleasure to be here.
So thrilled to have you back. I know your company's been on our program numerous times, but for those people who may not be familiar with your company, could you just give us that overview again, please?
Yeah, sure. So Voxbone is a provider for international DID numbers, so telephone and toll-free numbers from multiple countries. Our coverage spans across 50 countries today, and we go in there as a local operator on a CLEC level, usually to apply for telephone number ranges, and then we forward the incoming calls on these numbers to our customers' SIP endpoints.
Now, are there any countries that seem to be growing recently in demand for DIDs, or is it all the same?
There is a high demand for European countries. We are the only company that is licensed in all 27 countries of the European Union. So we have our own number ranges in all these countries, and that's certainly a big plus that we can offer to our customers, and that's where we have a strong demand. But then obviously in North America, the US and Canada is also quite strong.
Asia? Is Asia becoming important?
It's growing, yeah. We only have a few countries over there at this point, but we're investigating new opportunities, and there's certainly a demand there as well.
That's great. So what other sorts of trends are you seeing in the market? Anything else happening that we should know about?
Well, the cloud is of course always a big buzzword. We're happy and thrilled to sponsor the cloud communication here. So yeah, that's definitely a big trend. We just recently announced a new partnership with Deutsche Telekom. They've launched a marketplace, a platform for communication developers called the Developer Garden. So they provide APIs, they provide software code for communication developers to build their own applications. Then Deutsche Telekom provides on the communication side their infrastructure, call termination, and we're happy to help them with call origination, obviously. So that's a new project, and I think it marks a new trend to see that large operators like Deutsche Telekom are moving in that direction, and I think it underlines again the importance of cloud and IP communication.
Absolutely. I know it was a few years ago, but BT was also getting involved in applications and platforms, and I think it was Ribbit that they bought.
Yeah.
I haven't heard much lately about that integration, but that was the idea, was the carriers are going to open up their networks and allow more flexibility. So that's good that you're partnering there. Hopefully we'll see some really interesting applications going forward. I think what's taken some of the wind out of the sails is apps on mobile phones. That seems to be the competition to carrier applications, right?
Yeah, certainly. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a lot more still to come. There is a lot of different players in that field. I think we will probably see some consolidation there as well. And it's not always just about new features or about low price. I think that the quality aspect will more and more play a very big role in the cloud space.
It's important. Quality is important with voice.
And yeah, so we have built up an extensive network. We've built up quite a vast experience in what we do, and we're happy that we can help cloud communication providers to focus on their core competences while we're doing our side and help them with the communication infrastructure, with the network.
Are there any things in the future that we should know about coming soon, or anything else?
We're working on the new services that we're planning to announce later this year.
Oh, great.
We'll certainly keep TMCnet in the loop.
Okay, thank you
let
so
you guys
much.
know.
And thanks for being here, and thanks for being one of our sponsors at the show, at the Cloud Communications Summit, and have a wonderful expo.
Thank you, Rich. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.